Hi there, students. Bole. Bole. This is a countable noun. It can also be uncountable. Now, I personally would use this word bole with two different meanings. One is a lot more common, the other less common. So the bole of a tree, the trunk of a tree, the diameter of a tree. So if you're a tree hugger, you put your arms around the bole of the tree. It's interesting when you have a really big tree and you see how many people need to go round the bole of the tree. So the bole, it's the trunk or the diameter that goes around the tree. Bole also to me is a type of clay. It's a type of reddish clay that they use when gilding. When gilding wood or various things, the gilder covers the surface with a very, very fine covering of bole. And then the gilder puts the gold on top of the bole using rabbit skin glue. But bole, it's a reddish colour, a red-brown colour. The clay that gives this colour, but that's much more unusual and much more specialised. So the bole of a tree. I leaned against the bole of the tree while watching what was happening. Okay, so the bole of a tree, the tree trunk, the trunk, or a various soft clay that has particularly that has a reddish brown colour. I'm pretty sure there's some sort of iron oxide within this clay, within this bole. So bole, the trunk of a tree, and then bole, a smooth reddish clay. It's normally as a background for oil painting or for gilding, and that is bole as well, but that's less common. Okay, so the stem of a tree, the trunk of a tree, the bole of a tree. There was a hole in the bole of the tree, and we sat, or we hid in the bole of this tree because the tree was enormous. So an enormous tree trunk. Very often birds make their nests in holes in the boles of trees. Normally with different types of trees, you can use the bole of the tree to estimate the age of the tree or the volume of the bole, how big it is. So you can estimate a sequoia's age based on the volume of its bole or the trunk below the crown. Now, I think the bole this is a word that they actually use in with timber or lumber, and it's the usable amount of a tree to cut for lumber. So you cut down a tree, and the bole is the bit that you can actually use to cut into planks. It's none of the bits that you cut off, and that's the bole of the tree. The main stem is covered with bark, and it's the part that is commercially useful for the lumber industry, wood, for the wood industry. So I personally love trees that have got very big boles. See, you can see that they've been alive for many years, and I think that's it's something that I always find impressive. So, bole, formality. I think the bole of the tree, 6 in formality. I'm going to say use it anyway. It's probably a little bit more formal, but I think you use it anywhere. It's a good synonym for the word trunk of the tree, the bole of the tree. If you use it in exams, the examiner will be impressed, I'm certain of it. And then bole, this type of reddish clay that is used as a base for gilding or as a base for painting, and you put it over the surface before you start painting. As to origin, the bole of the tree comes from Old Norse boller, um, which means the trunk of a tree, and then we have the clay is related to ancient Greek bolos, a clod of earth, a lump of earth, yeah, a piece of earth, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bole.